Launch operations will follow much of the same process as a standard Electron launch you may have seen before, but with today's launch doubling as a recovery mission, it's after liftoff when you can expect to see changes in the mission profile. 2 minutes before launch, Electron will switch to internal
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we have liftoff.
Electron has successfully lifted off from Rocket Lab Launch Complex 1 with its Spire and NorthStar payload. The rocket is on its way to low Earth orbit with those 4 satellites on board, now T plus 40 seconds into flight. Electron has begun its pitch over, moving up and on an angle to head away from the launch pad and out over the ocean. Now all is looking nominal so far as the rocket approaches max Q, the moment in ascent when Electron experiences the maximum amount of aerodynamic pressure.
Electron is supersonic, approaching max Q. Cleared max Q.
A good call out from Mission Control there that Electron has cleared max Q. The rocket is now 16 kilometers in altitude and moving at over 2,000 kilometers an hour, which you can track the mission's progress by that telemetry dials at the top right-hand corner of your screen.
Next up for Electron is MECO, or main engine cutoff, quickly followed by stage separation and the startup of the Rutherford engine on that second stage to continue the mission to orbit. The 9 engines of the first stage will throttle down and then shut off just before the first and second stages separate from each other. When that happens, the second stage with the That's confirmation of MECO, stage step, and Rutherford engine ignition on stage 2. The telemetry dials at the top of your screen continue to show the speed and altitude of the second stage for the primary mission, with the stage 2 nozzle glowing bright above the stunning Earth.
Fairing jettison succeeded.
That was the call for fairing jettison on the second stage, which you saw there for yourself. That means Electron's nose cone has successfully split apart and fallen away. And we do this in preparation for deploying the kick stage with its satellites and to get rid of the dead weight of the fairing now that we are through Earth's atmosphere. As you can see on your screen there, a fantastic view that we have the drogue parachute. It has been deployed from that first stage of Electron. We heard that call from Mission Control as well, so that seems like a nominal drogue chute deploy since we haven't heard anything different from our operators. That means we'll move next to the main parachute deploy, coming up in around 30 seconds, which we should also hopefully see happen from that live camera feed on stage 1.
Main parachute deploy. HVB battery discharge, holding nominal.
Another great call out from Mission Control. The main parachute on Electron's first stage has successfully deployed. This means the booster's pace will have slowed down significantly and should now be drifting gently towards the ocean. It's expected to take around 10 minutes for the booster to reach the water surface, but we'll keep the comms channels up from Mission Control to share updates as they come through.
Confirms stage 1 splashdown.
Payload 1 on payload 2, deployment confirmed.
There we go, the first 2 of 4 L.E.M.U.R satellites have been deployed from the kick stage. Let's keep a close ear out for the second deployment milestone, sending the last 2 satellites for this mission off to work in LEO.